Welcome back to Reality in Seconds. The 21st century is a whirlwind of technological advancement. Every day, new inventions reshape our lives. Among the most transformative are drones, robotics, and smart home devices. These technologies, once confined to science fiction, are now part of our daily reality. They are revolutionizing industries, redefining convenience, and challenging our understanding of the future. But beyond the sleek interfaces and user-friendly designs lies a world of untold possibilities. These technologies are evolving at an unprecedented rate. They promise to change the world as we know it. To understand the true scope of this revolution, we must delve deeper, beyond the surface, and uncover the hidden facts and future implications of these innovations. Drones are more than just flying cameras capturing breathtaking aerial footage. Their potential stretches far beyond our current imagination. Did you know that drones are being used to plant trees in areas devastated by deforestation? These eco-warriors carry seed pods and disperse them strategically, aiding in reforestation efforts. Drones are also transforming agriculture. Equipped with multispectral cameras, they can analyze crop health, identify pests and diseases, and optimize irrigation, leading to increased yields and sustainable farming practices. In disaster relief efforts, drones deliver critical medical supplies, locate survivors in hard-to-reach areas, and even provide temporary communication networks. The future of drones is bright, with applications constantly expanding, touching upon every aspect of our lives. Robotics is no longer a futuristic fantasy. Robots are already working alongside humans in various sectors, from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and education. But here's a thought-provoking fact. Robots are being developed to perform delicate surgeries with greater precision than their human counterparts. These surgical robots, guided by skilled surgeons, can operate in confined spaces with minimal invasiveness, leading to faster recovery times and reduced risks. The impact of robotics on the job market is a topic of much debate. While some fear job displacement, others see an opportunity for humans and robots to collaborate, creating new roles and industries. Imagine robots handling repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on creativity, problem-solving, and innovation. The future of robotics holds immense potential for improving our lives, but it also requires careful consideration and ethical planning. Smart homes are becoming increasingly common, offering convenience and efficiency at our fingertips. But beyond the allure of voice-activated assistants and automated lighting lies a crucial aspect often overlooked: data privacy. Smart home devices collect vast amounts of data about our daily routines, preferences, and even conversations. While this data can enhance personalization and improve user experience, it also raises concerns about how this information is stored, used, and potentially shared. On a brighter note, smart homes can significantly reduce energy consumption. Smart thermostats learn our heating and cooling preferences, adjusting temperatures automatically to optimize energy usage. Similarly, smart lighting systems can detect when a room is empty, turning off lights to save electricity. The future of smart homes lies in striking a balance between convenience, privacy, and sustainability. The future is not something we enter. The future is something we create. Leonard Vaugh. Sweet. These words resonate deeply as we stand at the precipice of a technological revolution. Industry leaders echo this sentiment, recognizing the transformative power of drones, robotics, and smart home technology. Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, envisions a future where artificial intelligence and robotics will reshape our world, stating, "AI will make jobs kind of irrelevant." Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon, believes that the true potential of these technologies lies in their ability to empower individuals, saying, "If you can use technology to make people more powerful, you've got something fantastic." These visionaries understand that the future is not predetermined but shaped by our choices and actions. As we embrace these technologies, we must proceed with caution, ensuring that they are used ethically and responsibly to create a better future for all. The future is unfolding before our eyes. Drones, robotics, and smart home devices are no longer futuristic fantasies, but tangible realities shaping our world. As we have explored, these technologies offer immense potential for good, but they also present challenges that require careful consideration. The future is not something to be feared but embraced with open arms and a discerning mind. To stay informed and engaged in this exciting era of technological advancement, like, comment, and subscribe to Reality in Seconds. Together, let's navigate the complexities of the future and harness the power of these innovations to create a brighter tomorrow.